Packaging products require their own custom inspection systems to perfect quality, reduce false rejects, and eliminate the risk of a recall. In many industries, inspection applications cannot always rely on traditional machine vision alone. Labeling defects on products like bottles present challenges. Issues like lighting glare and the variable nature of label defects make using rule-based vision systems challenging. With Cognex deep learning, users can train the system using only good read images. Defects come in all shapes and sizes, so anything coming down the line that doesn't match the reference model, like a tear or a misprint, is easily flagged as a defect. Hiding somewhere on almost all consumable packages lies a date or lot code. Oftentimes, these codes are printed or etched onto surfaces that make it hard for a machine vision system to read. OCR is a challenging process under ideal conditions, but confusing backgrounds, low print quality, and variable lighting make it even more difficult. Cognex Deep Learning's OCR tool is robust and able to read many alphanumeric characters out of the box without programming. Further refinement on the line improves performance even on deformed, skewed, and obstructed codes. Conventional machine vision is certainly capable of counting and identifying uniform parts, but when it comes to irregular or organic parts, deep learning is much better equipped. By training the system with multiple examples, Cognex Deep Learning can reliably classify the part despite significant natural variation. Visual assembly check is often impractical to automate and is usually done manually. The high level of part variation plus the development effort needed to program a rule-based system makes it prohibitive, especially on seasonal or limited runs. However, a deep learning vision system can easily identify individual components, spot defects, presence or absence, all with minimal setup time. These are just a handful of applications where a solution like Cognex Deep Learning can be used to help manufacturers increase throughput and efficiency. To learn more about Cognex Deep Learning and its other toolsets, visit cognex.com/deeplearning.